Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab?
Hey guys.
Hey guys, today at my channel.
Oh my goodness. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button down below and welcome to the family. What are you doing, Pumpkin? Okay guys, so tomorrow is Nal. Pumpkin? Oh my goodness. So tomorrow is Nal's first day of school and I just finished her hair because she's doing, oh my god. I just finished her hair and I set up the backdrop. You know I love to decorate. Hey guys, so tomorrow is Nal's first day back to school and as you know I'm super excited. I mean really excited. So yeah. Yes. So I'm super excited you guys. And yeah. So we will be doing
Hi guys, today I have my channel.
Oh my goodness. So I'll be doing a balloon arch as you can see here. So I have the circle arch. Probably can't see because it's, you know, wide. But yes, I'll be doing a circle. My goodness. Alright, so I'll be using Huh? Yes, mama. Okay, so I'll be using green. So it's actually okay, mama. So the color, I think this looks like teal, but it also kind of close to green, and this one is a green. And then we have the yellow, but it's like a you know, kind of pale yellow. Yeah, so I thought the colors yeah, I'm gonna open them, don't worry. So I thought the colors would, you know, blend well. And I have some flowers and leaves. Pumpkin, let me pass the flower, let me show them. Leaves. And the leaves. The leaves. Thank you. So I have some leaves and some sunflower. And I thought everything would blend well together, you know, the green, the yellow, and yeah. So I have these and I put some tape at the end so that it don't burst the balloons pretty much. So yeah, that's it. And I have my pump ready to go.
Hi guys, today welcome to my channel. If you're new.
Alright, so now
Nice that channel. Yay.
hold on, mama. Hold on.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness, I had to put the phone to charge because it said the light is I don't know, oh lord, something. So I had to put it to charge so you could get the perfect view of it. So yes, this is for now first day of kindergarten 2, and it's after 11, basically 12 o'clock. So I just literally finished, and check out the details, like oh my god, yes, check out the details guys. Wow, it is so beautiful, like I am in love. Yes. Ooh. Tell me what you guys think down below, because I love it. Yes guys, so I'll see you guys in another video. Of course, you know it's gonna be decor and so much more. Peace. And here's the little sign right here. This first day of kindergarten 2. Yes. Yes, you guys. My little floating balloon. Say hi, guys. Okay, guys. So I forgot to do a video when Nal this morning. So she just got in from school. Yes. How was your first day of school? Tell me.
I play with the kids. I play with Jamal.
Okay, hold on. What you did, tell me. You played Jamal? Okay, who else you play with?
Jamal not talking to me.
He's not talking to you?
No,
Why not?
because he's not talking to me.
Yeah, but why is he not talking to you?
Because it's more important.
Because what?
Because he's not talking to me.
Okay. So what did Miss say today? Tell me.
Mistake. Sleep on the desk.
She said you're to sleep on the desk?
No, you need to sleep on the table.
Sleep on the table? Okay, what else Miss said?
To pack up the toys.
She said to pack up the toys? And what else?
That's it.
That's it? Okay, so did you have a nice time at school?
Yeah.
And did you enjoy playing with the kids? And do you want to go back to school tomorrow? Oh. Okay. Yes. Yes, guys. So this is how the decor looks. No. Yeah.
It's nice.
It's nice? You like it?
Yes. It's right.
Huh?
It's right.
Oh, okay. Alright, so say bye, guys.
Bye bye.
Wait, they're not hearing you, Mama.
Bye bye.
Oh, my, you say love you. And we see you in another video. Oh my god. Yeah, see you guys. First day of K2 9722 age 3. Yes, Mama.